Oh, bakit?
Ang pagiging ganyan eh, hindi man rin sa mako yung hindi ba alam? Alam mo to eh, kung ako sa'yo, kaibigan mo niya, sobra na, nakaramang natay ko. Eh, mahirap. Mahirap na kayo. Yung parang mahirap. Ha? Mahirap.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga nanonood lagi sa susunod na laban ni bigyan sa Madam President. Laban natin ito, mga idol. Basta okay tayo lang.
Im.
Mr. President? Oh, yung guys. Yung guys. Sige.
I'm from the Notion Company. May I have questions, Mr. President? Yeah. We were a small session home. Today, I'm sure that I recall the act of it, so I think that, that's really okay.
Actually, well, kind of hard, but, you know, I must say I'm impressed with your words. I like it. You're right.